In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make style changes on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is where you will access the editing tools for your site and make your design updates. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top left corner of the page and click Edit. This will open the site editor so you can start working directly on your website layout and appearance. After the editor opens, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Site Styles icon, which looks like a paintbrush. This area is where you can manage many of the visual settings for your site in one place. It is especially useful when you want to make broad design changes without editing each section manually. First, click Fonts. In this panel, you can change your site-wide typography settings. This includes typography presets, heading styles, and paragraph styles. Adjusting fonts here helps create a more polished and consistent look across your entire website. If you are updating your brand style or simply improving readability, this is where you will make those changes. Next, click Colors. This allows you to select a different site color palette or customize individual section themes. Changing colors can have a big impact on the overall feel of your site, so take a moment to preview how different palettes look with your content. If your site uses multiple sections, customizing section themes can help create contrast while still keeping the design cohesive. Then click Buttons. In this area, you can adjust the shape of your buttons, along with the padding, outline style, and spacing. These settings are important because buttons are often used for calls to action. Making them clear and visually appealing can help improve how visitors interact with your site. After that, click Spacing. Here you can adjust the page width and the side margins of your site layout. This affects how open or compact your content appears on the page. Small spacing changes can make a big difference in readability and overall balance, so it is a good idea to review the layout carefully as you make adjustments. Once you are finished with your design changes, go back to the top left corner and click Save. This will apply your updates and keep your new style settings in place. That covers everything you need to know.